How to download videos from Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus. Welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download videos from Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing you will need to do is head over to Snapchat. After you're on Snapchat, if you want to download the videos from your memories, simply swipe up. After you swipe up, head over to your memories and choose a video that you want to download. After you do that, to download the video, tap on the three dots that is on the top right area, and then you will see send video option, or you will see export video option. You can choose either one. And after you do that, if you scroll down here, you will see a download option. Tap on download. After you tap on download, you will have downloaded the video. And yeah, that is basically how you download your videos from Snapchat. And that is all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.